This app takes a 1,131 words article and turns it into a 62-word summary streamed live to your screen, word by word. And I built the whole thing with one tool, the Vercel AI SDK. Here's exactly how it works. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to stream AI responses into a web app, the same pattern powering ChatGPT, Claude, and basically every modern AI product. Let's get into it. This is a TLDR summarizer. You paste in long article or block of text, hit summarize, and it streams back a short version in real time. Not all at once, but word by word, the same way ChatGPT types out its answers.
Before we open the code, let's actually use the app so you know what we're building toward.
Watch what happens when I hit summarize. The text doesn't just appear, it streams in word by word, live, as the AI generates it. That's not a fake typing animation, that's the actual response arriving in real time. Up here, you can see exactly how much the text is being compressed. For example, 1,240 words down to 38, a 97% reduction. That updates live as the summary streams in. And this entire thing costs nothing to run. Gemini's free tier is generous enough that you could use this daily and never pay a cent. Let's look at how the project is organized, because it's simpler than you'd expect. Really, there are only two files doing the heavy lifting, route.ts on the backend and page.tsx on the front end. Let's go through both. First, we import the AI SDK's helpers and the Gemini provider. Then, when a request comes in, we grab the text the user submitted. The key part is this. Instead of waiting for the AI to generate the entire summary and sending it back in one chunk, we call the streaming function. This opens a connection that pushes tokens back to the front end the moment they're generated. That's what creates that live, word-by-word effect you saw in the demo.
Now let's flip to the front end, because receiving a stream is only half the story. The UI has to know how to consume it. This is where the Vercel AI SDK really shines. On the client side, it gives you a hook that manages the entire lifecycle of the request, sending the text, listening for incoming chunks, and updating the UI automatically as new words arrive. You don't write a single line of manual stream reading code.
So when I click Summarize, the input text gets sent to our API route. The route streams the response back. The hook on the front end catches each new piece of text and updates the state. React re-renders, and you see the word appear on screen. That loop, repeated dozens of times per second, is what creates that live typing effect. Building this taught me a few things I didn't expect. Streaming isn't as scary as it sounds once you have the right abstraction. Free-tier AI APIs are genuinely good enough for real side projects. A small amount of design effort, picking fonts, spacing, one accent color, makes a project feel finished instead of like a tutorial demo. If you're trying to learn how modern AI apps are actually built, this is a great first project. It's small enough to finish in a weekend, but it touches the exact same concepts, streaming, API routes, provider abstraction, that power production AI products. The full code for this project is linked in the description if you want to clone it and try it yourself. It's completely free to run with your own Gemini API key. If this helped you understand AI streaming a little better, drop a like and subscribe. I'm building more projects like this and breaking down exactly how they work, one video at a time. See you in the next one.